This video is brought to you by Advanced Digital Media Services. A beginner's guide to creating a search engine optimization-friendly website design. When putting together your website, there are two major factors you have to consider: consumers and search engines. You need a search engine optimization-friendly website design that's optimized for search engines so that you'll rank on the first pages of Google's results when consumers are searching for your products or services. Search engine optimization and web design go hand in hand for many reasons. They help improve your web traffic, ranking, and ROI. Yearly, new tips and trends emerge that help people create professionally optimized websites to improve online exposure and boost traffic to a much greater extent. Go through all the following points carefully to improve your site's ranking. Layout and structure. Organizing the content of your website depends on the pattern you design. You may use patterns such as boxes to separate headlines, titles, etc. Keep the layout balanced so that visitors will not find it difficult to use. Spacing on inner pages should also be sufficient to focus on a specific item you wish to highlight. Always remember that keeping the layout simple and manageable will help you organize the website's content. People are familiar with the usual interaction outlines, site features, and online interfaces. You can make your search engine optimization web design unique, but make sure it is not too vague or confusing. Color scheme. Another fundamental factor is using the right colors for your web design. You need to consider the color contrast of background and foreground colors for readability. Your colors should blend well together and not clash. It is also significant that you do not forget to design for your clients with color blindness. This normally helps make your page helpful for everybody else too. A minimum of 3 and a maximum of 5 colors usually do the trick. Fonts. Make it a point to stick to common web fonts. The use of Google Web Fonts will make it easier for search engines to read your page. It is okay to show your creative side by using grand fonts, but imagine how search engines and your users will read through it. Avoid using different kinds of fonts on your website, as it may leave a bad impression on most people. Consistency is always key. A common mistake for web marketers and designers is getting the wrong font sizes for the site. Remember that the font style and font size should always complement each other. You should also consider that some people have difficulty reading small texts, along with those who have vision impairments. Responsiveness or navigation. To rank on the result pages, you need to have a design that will suit all kinds of digital media. The main idea is to have a design that supports all devices, from laptops to mobile phones, tablets and any other gadget to be released soon. The main goal of preparing a responsive layout is to have a specific code set that works perfectly on all settings. Also, having a responsive site covers the use of excellent graphics and illustrations. As increasingly more clients are viewing sites using their latest gadgets, text links are not always ideal for them. Huge graphic buttons are the best ones, as they increase the click rates on mobile phones and also on computers. Another interesting trend that web users are interested in is huge images. This is a great way to catch the attention of even more clients. Picking a wonderful and enticing background photo will readily increase the fame of your site. Not just that, but when the image is blended well into the layout, it makes your site all the more inviting. Social integration. Social integration is necessary, as you can share your purchase, needed materials, and brands through social media sites. Never forget that these popular platforms today are known to be the main key for modern-day clients. The addition of social sharing into the search engine optimization web design will boost traffic, including brand awareness. Vertical scrolling. Among the best and most commonly used search engine optimization web design trends this year is vertical scrolling. Horizontal scrolling brings out problems on smartphones, but vertical scrolling is a bit more interesting, since it functions in such a manner that you can see the page in portrait or landscape. However, your menu must be coded in a way that it scrolls down together with the rest of the page. Website users. It is wonderful to have the opportunity to design your website according to your heart's desire, but keep in mind that you run the website to share it with people in the virtual world. Try to understand your target market and decide for search engine optimization-friendly web design that will keep your visitors or users coming back for more. Employing an agency that is good in search engine optimization and web design services is indeed a good step towards attaining online success. Advanced digital media services can help you bridge the gap between website development and the optimization process. Call us now at 877-237-6969. Or email us via info@advdms.com. Or simply visit us at www.advdms.com.